Bhíonn learcan mar chnámhdroma an bhirnamánaíochta barathúla a d'imir riamh.
Imróir den céad scoth bheithón. Bhí sé anisciúil ar fad. Rinne sé gachród don iarn.
He had this unbelievable ability. In the bigger the game, the bigger the performance.
Imánaí na bliana. Captain an bhuacach. Bhain sé buaice chumas amach.
He put his body through a lot to be the best player he could be.
Ach tá scéalóin bonthir chahana. A barc, go profisiúnta agus mar haidúir.
Behind that fence is Syria, which gives you an example of how close proximity Irish troops are to the fighting in the Civil War.
Ach an cá is fíochfar ar fad. Ná an cá leis an aontain.
You know, suicide comes into my mind an awful lot.
Suicide rates are so high in men that it was a huge worry.